Unit 4. Developmental Psychology Part 2. Psychological Needs of Various Groups in Health and Sickness. Introduction. Human psychological needs change across the lifespan due to differences in biological maturity, cognitive ability, emotional control, and social roles. Health supports normal psychological growth, whereas sickness disrupts it by creating fear, dependency, and stress. Understanding the psychology of each age group helps nurses provide holistic, patient-centered care and promote recovery. 1. Infancy, 0 to 2 years. Psychology of infancy. Infancy is a period of rapid brain development and emotional foundation formation. Total dependence. Infants rely entirely on caregivers for survival, comfort, and emotional regulation. Any inconsistency creates distress. Trust formation. Erikson, trust vs. Must trust. When feeding, warmth, and comfort are provided consistently, the infant develops trust in the world. Sensorimotor cognition, Piaget, learning occurs through sensory input and motor activities such as sucking, grasping, and looking. Attachment. Secure attachment develops through continuous emotional responsiveness, forming the basis of future relationships. Emotional expression. Emotions are undifferentiated initially and expressed through crying, later developing into smiles and fear responses. Psychological needs in health. Emotional warmth promotes secure attachment and emotional stability. Security and predictability. Regular routines help reduce stress. Stimulation, touch, sound, and eye contact enhance neural connections. Psychological needs in sickness. Parental presence. Hospitalization may cause separation anxiety. Comfort and pain relief. Pain intensifies emotional distress. Familiarity. Familiar objects and routines reduce fear. Nursing focus. Family-centered care, minimal separation, gentle handling. 2. Childhood, 2 to 12 years. Psychology of childhood. Childhood involves rapid cognitive expansion and social learning. Curiosity and exploration. Children actively explore to understand their environment. Developing independence. Want to perform tasks independently but still need reassurance. Play is learning. Play allows expression of emotions, creativity, and social learning. Moral and social development. Begins understanding right and wrong through guidance. Need for approval. Praise strengthens confidence and self-esteem. Psychological needs in health. Acceptance and love builds emotional security. Achievement opportunities. Success in school and play enhances self-worth. Structured discipline, guidance and discipline, provides emotional safety and self-control. Encouragement, motivation helps in skill development. Psychological needs in sickness. Clear explanation, age-appropriate explanation reduces misconceptions. Reassurance, decreases anxiety and insecurity. Parental support, provides emotional comfort. Play therapy, helps express fear and cope with illness. Nursing focus, therapeutic play, parental involvement, reassurance. 3. Adolescence, 13 to 19 years. Psychology of adolescence. Adolescence is marked by identity formation and emotional turbulence. Identity vs. Role confusion. Erikson, adolescents explore beliefs, roles, and values. Emotional instability. Hormonal changes lead to mood swings. Peer orientation. Peer approval strongly influences behavior. Body image sensitivity. Physical changes increase self-consciousness. Risk-taking behavior. Desire for independence may lead to experimentation. Psychological needs in health. Autonomy. Encourages self-confidence. Privacy. Essential for trust and dignity. Emotional guidance. Helps decision-making and stress management. Psychological needs in sickness. Honest communication. Reduces fear and mistrust. Participation in decisions. Maintains autonomy. Support for body image, especially in chronic illness. Nursing focus, respect, confidentiality, collaborative care. 4. Adulthood, 20 to 60 years. Psychology of adulthood. Adulthood emphasizes productivity, responsibility, and relationships. Generativity vs. Stagnation. Erikson, desire to contribute to family and society. Role fulfillment, identity tied to work, parenting, and relationships. Emotional maturity, better coping mechanisms life stressor, career, finances, parenting, and health. Psychological needs in health. Self-esteem and achievement, essential for mental well-being. Emotional intimacy, supports psychological stability. Social support, buffers stress. Psychological needs in sickness. Information and control. Uncertainty increases anxiety. Role adjustment support. Illness disrupts work and family roles. Emotional support. Prevents depression and helplessness. Nursing focus. Patient education, counseling, shared decision making. 5. Old age, 60 years and above. Psychology of old age. Old age involves adaptation to losses and life review. Integrity vs. Despair, Erickson, reflection on life achievements. Losses, physical strength, social roles, and loved ones. Loneliness and isolation, common due to reduced social interaction. Fear of dependency, loss of independence affects self-esteem. Psychological needs in health. Respect and dignity, maintains self-worth. Social connection, prevents depression. Independence, encourages confidence. Psychological needs in sickness. Emotional reassurance, reduces anxiety and fear of death. Clear communication, cognitive decline may affect understanding. Empathy and patience, promotes cooperation and trust. Nursing focus, geriatric-friendly communication, emotional support, autonomy preservation.